Now, how do you record on a Capcut directly on the iPad? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, inside of your projects within a Capcut, you have the ability to click on Add Audio at the bottom, where you can specifically import some sounds or some files from the Files app, right? But in the bottom right corner, you also have the Record button. So this lets you access the microphone and literally speak over your video. This is perfect for when you have something going on the screen and you want to record a voiceover, meaning that the video is like playing in the video editor and you are commenting on what's going on. Perhaps you are teaching something to other people, right? And you just record it directly within the Capcut app. This then allows you to just use that audio as a separate layer, so it just behaves like a regular MP3 file imported to the app, but the difference is that you have recorded it directly and inside of the Capcut already. So that's how it works. Outside of that, of course, you don't really have the ability to like record videos in here, so you have to go to the camera and record videos there and then import them to Capcut, but this is the way to record audio directly within the app. So that would be about it from me. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Stay tuned for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.